everyone. Today is Friday, June 19th. We're headed over into Ohio to a show in a little town called Rockford, Ohio. And if you live in the Midwest and Texas, you know that we're soaking wet. It has been raining endlessly. Some of the roads to this car show have been closed, so we're having to take a little different route to get there. But hopefully it'll be a good evening. This has been a good show for the Redbird Special, so hopefully we'll have a good night and see some good cars. So we'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, we're wrapping up here in Rockford and getting ready to head home. It's starting to kind of get dark on us here. Redbird Special won a top 40 tonight, so we're very happy about that. And a really pretty trophy. So we'll be heading home. I haven't decided whether I'm going to go anywhere tomorrow, which is Saturday the 20th. I'll make that decision once I get home and look at the weather. So good night for now.